You can potentially make a minimum of $10,000 every single month just by sending short and simple text messages. Let me repeat it. Minimum of $10,000 per month. Yes, you heard it right. And you know what? It's absolutely achievable. All you need is a strong grip on SMS marketing, a method that is comparatively more cost-effective and easy to handle than email campaigns. Though I'm not saying that you should stop sending emails to your audience. Just start considering SMS text in your online marketing suite to maximize your sales exponentially. Now, you must be saying, no one wants a text message from my brand. Well, that's the most common SMS marketing myth I've heard from people around me. I just want to ask, how will you even know if you've never tried? Just because you don't like receiving SMS marketing campaigns doesn't mean your customers won't. So stop making useless assumptions and watch this video till the end, because I'll be sharing everything you need to run your very first SMS marketing campaign. Believe me, you're gonna love it. However, before we jump into the nitty-gritty of SMS marketing, let's just have a small overview of what exactly it is and why you need it. Okay, so in simple and easy words, SMS marketing is the practice of sending customers and prospects marketing messages, promotions, announcements, reminders, and more via text message. It's kind of an opt-in marketing communication between a brand and its customers on a more personal level. Now, the term opt-in over here helps you to make sure that your audience is willing to receive text messages from your business. Now, obviously, without their consent, it would be considered illegal, and you're already doomed. Scary, right? Well, don't worry. I'll shortly share some effective ways that can help you avoid getting netted by legal authorities. But for now, let's just understand why you need SMS marketing. You see, this particular marketing channel, SMS marketing, has been ignored by many businesses across the globe, and I really don't know why. I mean, yes, there are brands that are fond of sending text messages, but the point is the majority of you guys aren't even entering this space. I'm assuming most of you don't even know that 5 billion people use text messages, allowing a brand to achieve almost a 90% open rate in SMS marketing. That's insane, right? With that sort of open rate, you can imagine the results in terms of sales and customer acquisition. And as I said at the start, it's cost effective. I really did mean that. You still don't believe me? Well, hear this out then. The average cost per sent message is between 1 and 60 cents. Yes, cents. Still not interested? Well, other than being cost effective, it allows you to reach your audience instantly. Unlike emails, which may languish in the dreaded promotions tab for hours, days, or even weeks, text messages tend to garner immediate attention. That's cool, right? Well, no wonder why SMS marketing has become one of the most hotly debated topics in the marketing industry. That being discussed, it's time to unravel the top 3 tools for getting SMS marketing campaigns streamlined. Are you excited now? So the very first tool that's on our list today is called Easy Texting. It helps you reach your entire audience instantly. The best part of Easy Texting is that it's quite user-friendly. So even if you're someone who gets mind-boggled by seeing complex interfaces, on this platform you'll be able to set up everything with ease. You can manage your contacts, create your message, and respond to the results only with a few clicks. Moreover, if you're operating at a smaller scale, this particular tool is what you really need for your business. Why? Well, it allows you to send bulk messages, upload unlimited contacts, handle audience segmentation, two-way texting, and most importantly, a free trial that requires no credit card. Interesting, isn't it? And once you're convinced, you can definitely upgrade to their plans, which start at $25 per month, and they come with a 30% cost per message and a 95% delivery rate. With that, the second tool on our list is somewhat like the previous one. Sales Message, or Sales MSG, is a simple, scalable, and secure business texting tool that offers the same features as Easy Texting with a 14-day free trial. It also offers monthly plans starting from $25. In addition, you can add unlimited contacts, enjoy two-way and MMS texting, send bulk messages, and get a free local or toll-free number. Yes, you can do a lot within $25. Though there is a slight difference in the cost per message, I'm sure it won't bother you at all, as it's still more cost-effective than any other marketing channel. Now, before we move on to the third tool, hit that red fat subscribe button if you haven't done so yet. All right, let's move further on now. SMS Bump, with the same and some additional features, is more cost-effective than the previously discussed tools. Yeah, there's still room for saving more marketing budget. This amazing tool not only offers everything, but allows you to enter the domain of SMS marketing by investing as low as $19 per month. Crazy, isn't it? Over here, you'll get unlimited free opt-in keywords, unlimited A/B testing, time-zoned messages, and the best part is, you'll be able to send messages with your business name. No need for any sort of 4 to 5-digit code that often gets ignored by the recipient. And wait, there's more. The cost per message with this service is 0.0149 cents. That's not even 2 cents per message when rounded up. Damn, right? I mean, these SMS marketing tools are really getting out of hand. Anyways, I'd recommend you to do your own research before diving into the red ocean. I want you to visit these platforms and then make a wise decision because you don't want to mess it up in excitement. Now, as we've understood the importance of SMS marketing and explored some of the best and cost-effective tools to run your campaigns, I'd like to share some tips and tricks that can help you nail the art of text messages. If you remember at the start of the video, I was talking about legal charges and all. Well, it really does happen if a brand starts sending messages without the consent of its audience. They can either report you or make you pay hefty fines for that. So how can you avoid all of that? Well, it's really simple. Just like in email marketing, let your audience know that they can receive text messages from your brand in case of urgent updates. Now you might be wondering, how are you going to get subscribers for sending text messages? Well, here's another tip. Cross-promote on social media to widen the list of your subscribers. Offer freebies in order to make them subscribe to your text messages. To be honest, it's kind of a cliche method, but it really does work. Now, the next tip for SMS marketing is to keep the opting out process easy for the customer. And it's something important because they do have the right to opt out from your weekly or monthly messages. Though if you're giving value, you probably won't face such a situation. But still, keep it simple because you never know when a customer decides to unsubscribe. Moreover, when it comes to the format of your message, you only have 160 characters to play around with. So be mindful and focus on the clarity of the message you want to convey without burning all of the characters. Here are a few examples of a perfect SMS text that includes the name of your brand, the offer, CTA, and a link to your landing page or website. Here's an example for a sales promotional text. It's the end of season sale at company. Enjoy incredible discounts of up to 40% on our top styles. Don't miss out. Shop now. Link. And now here's an example of a new product launch announcement message. New arrivals just in at company. Stay ahead of the trend and explore our latest products. Shop now and be fashion forward. Link. You see how I managed to cover everything in both of the examples without running out of the characters? Yeah, you can go rewind and count them again in case you don't believe me. However, all you need to be is creative. And remember, there's no concept of subject lines in SMS marketing, which means that the content you wrote needs to be up to the mark for netting maximum leads. Another tip for you people is to keep an eye on the frequency of sending promotional messages to your audience. You can text them anytime you want. What you need to do is decide how often you want to approach them in a week or a month. In my opinion, sending 3 to 5 messages every month is more than enough. Well, along with the frequency, you might have to consider focusing on the timing of sending your text messages. You really don't want to text them at midnight. They'll either unsubscribe or block you right away. So that's all for my video on SMS marketing tips. If you like what you learned in this video, do hit the like button and share your thoughts in the comments section below. While you're at it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and make sure you hit the bell icon to stay up to date on future videos. See you guys in the next one. Take care.